What's up, everyone? We are here again for another house tour, home tour. Doesn't matter. It's still a tour of a house I'm doing open house for. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so this one I'm doing today is a condo. Actually, it's a planned unit development, so pretty much a townhome, and off of 2648 Rio Bravo Circle in the La Riviera community. Let's take a look right here. This is one of the cheapest ones in the area, and they usually don't pop up. So this one is $300,000. The last one before that was in November, but the one before that was in November. July. There you go. So let's go ahead and take a look at this bad boy. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath townhome. A lot of these features are original, and you'll see it for yourself. Got tile floors. Nice oak. You see through here. What's that? Yeah, bathroom, half bath down here. I'll back it out. We got someone coming in for the open house. And this right here is a 1-car garage. You see some stuff in here, but that's okay. I do like the exposed beam. That's my iPad playing music. Yeah. Vaulted ceilings, give it some more room. This place is about 1,400 square feet. And right behind the fence is the Larchmont Community Park. We'll go out there in just a minute. Right. Look at this original fireplace, old school. Dull wood burning. But yeah. All right, now we're on to the next. Let's take a look at the kitchen. So you do have your washer dryer in the kitchen and dining room area. And some nice wood cabinets. It's all original. Only that's not original is the refrigerator and dishwasher. See, a quick peek. And we're gonna flip it. Yeah. Let's head upstairs. I think I already mentioned this, but I do like that they have the exposed wood beam right here. I like that a lot. But yeah, this trunk right here with the fine china reminds me of when my parents had got back in Germany when we were stationed out there. Yeah, let's go upstairs. We got some new carpet too. We'll go to that one last. This is the first bedroom with laminate floors. See some neighbors outside. Well, they're not outside, but you see some neighbors across the street. All right. Smaller closet, but it's good though. We'll go down to the next one. It's your full bath right here. With the shower, no bath in that one. And then this is interesting right here. We have one of those 70s, 80s double door. And you can do that. That's something else. I forgot what they used to do that for back then. Or if it was just a cool feature to have. But now we're on to the master bedroom. And over here, you literally have windows for living room. With the beam right there. All right. That's just the master bathroom. We've got a lot of cabinets for some storage. One sink right there. Your master closet. Full bath and tub. And there you go. I'm gonna take you outside so you can see where the park is right in the backyard. All right. It started to rain a couple minutes ago, but I got y'all. Okay. This is your back patio. Right there. And what's really nice is you literally open this up and you just have access to all that right there. Because right over there, that's where the park is, but then also above that hill, that's where the river is at, American River. And then over there, that's where the elementary is at. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. Yeah, this is as much as I can zoom in, but as you can see, a little playground right there. That's the elementary, the Erlewine Elementary School. And I would definitely be out here playing soccer on the weekends. We're trying to get that messy work. And then you also got another park right there, but then also some more goals, and then tennis park. I'm not good at tennis, but try it out. I think instead of the HOA was about $248 a month. So that's it for the townhome tour in La Riviera, part of Sacramento, right by the American River. Let me know what you guys think about this place and in the comments below, and then I'll see y'all later. Y'all have a good one.